Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 350 SLX. It's got the stone interior. It's got a white hull with a black gel coat stripe. Absolute beauty. Huge bow space, lots of people on board. It's got the Axios joystick over there. Dual Simrad screens, little summer kitchen. Here on the transom, the hydraulic swim platform goes down, cuts out right here. Nice place to lounge. Cooler as we walk aboard. Batteries and everything are right there in that compartment. Great space for seating for everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 573-6006-3029. Thank you and have a great day.